abundant life, the safety and the care of the
very same aircraft from our capability. So in a way, we're just putting back what we had 5 years ago, and while we, as I say, we welcome that. It's been 5 years of lost capability that we've had when we've had incursions from Russian submarines and Russian ships during that period of time.
This idea of more shipbuilding work for the clients being welcomed, by unions at least?
Well, there again, before we were promised that... relationships and all our finances and all our futures rosy. That was never ever his promise. And the promise of an abundant life comes to us in the context of sheep wandering the plateau with their shepherd in a dangerous place. It comes to us in the context of the realities and the rough and the tumble of life as we live our lives under the protection and the safety and the sacrificial love of this one true shepherd, Jesus. I came that they may have life and have it abundantly. And because of the world in which we live, that abundant life was purchased for you and me at a price, at a very great price. Well, we're going to take a closer look at that plan that Jesus has for an abundant life for you tomorrow on the program. And because I want to see that plan unfolding in your life, I've written a booklet to go along with this series, and it's called Jesus Speaks, Jesus Heals. And today, it's my free gift to you. You can request yours right now online at ChristianityWorks.com. That free booklet offer is right there in the middle of the homepage. You can't miss it. And when you do stop by, check out the treasure trove of free resources and downloads on the site, like